Welcome back. Today we are making a Spanish boiled Cocketel de Pistache, a silky pistachio cocktail infused with cinnamon, lemon, sherry, and a little brandy. It is rich, fragrant, and perfect when you want a dessert drink that feels special but is still easy at home. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 45 minutes. Let us walk through the Cocketel de Pistache ingredients. 1 cup shelled unsalted pistachios gives the drink its creamy body, soft green color, and nutty flavor. 3 cups water are used to briefly boil the pistachios, which softens them and helps the final cocktail blend extra smooth. 2 cups whole milk create the main base, so the pistachio flavor tastes mellow, smooth, and balanced. 1 cup heavy cream makes this cocktail luxurious, giving it the dessert-like texture that works beautifully with sherry. 1/2 cup granulated sugar sweetens the milk as it boils, so the sweetness dissolves evenly into the pistachio base. 1 cinnamon stick adds a classic Spanish warmth without making the drink taste heavy. 2 strips lemon peel brighten the boiled cream base and keep the pistachio flavor fresh. 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt sharpens the nuts, dairy, and sweetness so the cocktail does not taste flat. 2 tablespoons honey add a floral finish that feels right at home with Spanish nuts and sherry. 1/2 cup Spanish cream sherry brings caramel, raisin, and toasted notes that make the pistachio base taste unmistakably Spanish-inspired. 2 tablespoons Spanish brandy give the cocktail a gentle warmth without overpowering the pistachio. 2 cups ice cubes chill and lightly aerate the finished cocktail before it goes into the glasses. 2 tablespoons finely chopped pistachios are for garnish, adding a pretty green crunch on top. 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon finishes each glass with a soft aromatic dusting. We begin the preparation by pouring 3 cups water into a small saucepan and bringing it to a full boil over high heat. Add 1 cup shelled unsalted pistachios to the boiling water and boil them for 5 minutes, just long enough to soften them for blending. Now that the pistachios are softened, drain them well and return the warm pistachios to the saucepan. To build the boiled base, add 2 cups whole milk, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 strips lemon peel, and 1/4 teaspoon fine sea salt to the saucepan. Cook the mixture over medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring often, until it reaches a gentle boil with small bubbles around the edges. Once it boils, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 12 minutes, stirring every few minutes so the dairy stays smooth and the pistachios infuse the cream. Now that the base is fragrant, remove the cinnamon stick and the 2 strips of lemon peel from the saucepan. Carefully transfer the hot pistachio mixture to a blender and blend for 60 seconds, until the nuts and cream become very smooth. Hold the lid securely and allow steam to escape safely if your blender requires it. Strain the blended mixture through a fine mesh strainer into a white ceramic bowl, pressing gently so the cocktail base is silky but not gritty. While the base is still warm, stir in 2 tablespoons honey until dissolved. Let it cool for 15 minutes, then refrigerate it for 20 minutes so the dairy is cold before the alcohol goes in. Now that the pistachio base is chilled, stir in 1/2 cup Spanish cream sherry and 2 tablespoons Spanish brandy until the cocktail is evenly mixed. Add 2 cups ice cubes to a pitcher, pour in the pistachio cocktail, and stir for 30 seconds until the mixture is cold, lightly frothy, and ready to serve. To close the cooking, strain the chilled cocktail into 4 coupe glasses. Then garnish the tops with 2 tablespoons finely chopped pistachios and 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. And there it is, a Spanish boiled Cocketel de Pistache that is creamy, nutty, chilled, and gently warmed by sherry, brandy, cinnamon, and lemon. Serve it right away as a dessert cocktail, especially with simple butter cookies or toasted almonds. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you do not miss the next one.